Hey guys, Justin Labato here inside the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the new GlassParency line of products. What we have here today is Boost. Now this is a very easy to use multi-surface silica spray. And basically when I say multi-surface, this is going to allow you to use it on paint, glass, and rims, whatever your choice may be. But the cool thing I like about this product is the multi-use aspect, meaning that it could be used as a drying aid, it could be used as a coating boost, whether it be traditional ceramic coating or more relevant graphene coating, and of course as a standalone sealant. So if you have just bare paint that you want to have a silica-based protectant on, this is something that you could spray directly to the surface, wipe away, and now you have great protection. And better yet, it will boost the actual reflection, the gloss, and give you those hydrophobic repellency characteristics that you're looking for in a silica type spray. Very user friendly and fun to use overall because you could use it with what's considered a damp towel method, a dry towel method, and overall get your vehicle looking great and well protected with the GlassParency Boost product. So for more information about GlassParency's Boost, visit autogeek.com.